What if you could erase the look of wrinkles using one thing already in your kitchen? The best part is it's not a cream or a serum, but a pure, natural gel that works in a way almost no expensive product can. Sagging, creased skin on your hands or face shows your skin's natural balance and hydration are fading. This happens for many reasons, from sun damage and life stress to shifts in hormones or even missing key nutrients. Most people rush to buy costly anti-aging treatments, but there is a shockingly simple method that can make your skin look full and soft surprisingly fast. The answer is a common plant whose gel is a powerhouse for skin repair. Deep hydration that truly lasts. The clear gel from this plant is made of nearly 99% pure water, but it's designed to sink deep into your skin cells. It also contains special sugars that act like tiny sponges, holding moisture tight within your skin's layers. After just a few applications, your complexion will appear more supple, filled out, and resilient. This immediate plumping effect is nature's own filter, renewing your skin from within. Beyond just adding water, this gel delivers a powerful mix of vitamins A, C, and E. These are potent antioxidants that defend your cells from daily damage. Natural agents in the gel also speed up skin regeneration, helping to gently peel away old, tired skin cells to uncover the fresher, smoother skin waiting below. But how do you actually get your skin to produce its own support structure? A natural lift for firmness. This is the real secret weapon. The gel encourages your skin to make more collagen and elastin. These are the essential proteins that keep your skin tight and springy. For skin that has seen years of sun or just the passage of time, a daily application can help smooth the appearance of lines and make your skin seem tighter and more vibrant. So, how should you be using this for the maximum benefit? The right way to apply it for results. Slice a leaf open and spread the fresh gel directly onto your skin. Massage it gently in circles and let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes before you rinse with cool water. You can also buy a high-quality organic gel. Just check the label to ensure it's at least 98% pure with no fillers. And for those who want to supercharge their results, there's one more step. Boosting the power with simple mixes. To see changes even quicker, you can blend the gel with other kitchen staples. Try a bit of raw honey for incredible softness and a healthy glow. A drop of lemon juice can help brighten your skin tone for a radiant look. Or mix in a little coconut oil to lock in that moisture and shield your skin from drying out. Turn your kitchen into a luxury skincare lab. If you found these natural secrets helpful, please give this video a like and follow Natural Life Hack for more ways to look and feel your best.